In today's video, I will walk you through how to use stamp leaves in Krita. Open the Brush Presets Docker, or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type stamp leaves and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single leaf stamp, or drag your brush to create a series of repeated leaf textures. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the leaf stamps larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for stronger or softer effects. You can also adjust the spacing to place the leaf stamps closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase, blur, or adjust the leaf textures later without affecting the rest of your artwork. The Stamp Leaves brush is designed to stamp leaf shapes and textures as you paint instead of creating each leaf manually. It's a good choice when you're painting trees, plants, forests, backgrounds, or adding natural foliage details to your artwork. And that's how to use the Stamp Leaves brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.